Hi, I am Gurcharan Singh. Welcome to my profile. I am a Python Backend Developer over 10 years of experience. I specialize in building secure, scalable, and efficient solutions that help business to grow rapidly. Whether it is about creating APIs, developing healthcare platforms, or designing B2B marketplaces, I bring my expertise and dedication to every project. I am proficient in Python frameworks like Django, Flask, and FastAPI, ensuring every project is tailored to meet unique client needs. I am experience also includes working with cloud platforms like AWS and databases like PostgreSQL and MongoDB, which helps me to build powerful, scalable backend systems. Apart from my tech expertise, I strongly believe in the value of communication and teamwork. Understanding client needs is my priority, and I focus on delivering solutions that save both time and cost. Outside of work, I practice mindfulness and meditation to stay focused and keep my mind sharp for creative problem solving. If you are looking for a developer who can help to turn your ideas into reality, then you are at the right place. Check out my Upwork profile and let's start work on your next big project. Thanks.